Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will try to learn about ZCP command. How we can use the ZCP command in Mitsubishi PLC. ZCP means Zonal Compare command. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss the upcoming videos. So let's get started. First I will open my GXWorks2 software and here we will create the new project. And for new project you can choose your PLC, which is you have model number and series which series yani means this is the series, which series you have, you can select the series, and after which model number you have FX1S, FX1, FX0, which you have you can select, and after click it OK. After created the project, just only take the one single X0 input address, and next you have to be choose the C0 for K10. C0 K10 why I use, sorry said this the C0 K10 why I use, because when we like to be compare something we have the data from where we take the data. So I will take the data from this counter. You can choose your own method. And here we can choose the use the open contact of the C0 and make the RST reset C0 for auto resetting, yani when this is completed the value of 10, after this will be automatically goes to reset. And here we will take the ZCP command. You have to write only just simple ZCP, and after you have to give the value, for example which value you like to be compare with the some any output or with the output. For example, I say when my value is k equal with k, after this k7 I will write first, and after you will be understand. And next C0 which you are now comparing, and next you have to be choose any bit, for example M10 I will choose, and click enter. And here you will give the any double click, and after you will take the any close contact of any bit, no problem, X2 for example I will choose, and click it OK. ZCP command is basically limit instruction. When this is the K4 and this C0 when equal with K4 up to K7, for example, and after when this K7 between this K4 your output will be energized. This is M10 will be when this is equal with K4, after this will be less than when C0 K4, after this will be M10 will be on. And M10 here we will take for output for Y0, and here we will take for M11 for Y1 output on, and here we will take for M12 for Y2 on, and click enter. And simple this compile the program and start stop simulation. After you can check the program how it works. Wait for a second, and just only we will give the signal at X0, modify the value, and this value will take the down here, no problem. And now you can see the C0 is the less than K4, so this Y0 is on until this K4 not completed with a reach at the any K7, this next bit will be not on. For example, I will make the on. What's the problem? So 1 second, we have to be again this debug start stop module, again goes to the start stop module and close this one and modify the value, and here we will choose the X0, and give the value. Now you can see X0, as I give the value, as it's reached with the K4 to again stop and again give the value. Now you can see this is the one equal with K4. After your Y1 will be on, and until this will be worked on this Y1, it reaches at the 7 value. Again I will give the signal. You can see the here, this is 5 now, this is still on. Again you will give the signal. Now the 6 still on. Again you will give the signal. This is the 7. This is because of you put the value of K7 greater than this C0 of the K7. After your Y2 will be on. So again I will give the signal C when number 8 becomes after your Y2 is on. So basically this also you K7, K10, K12, K15, which value you will be right here from the start of the value K4. In the between this value, this counter will be worked. So this is the name ZCP command. This is the very important instruction, and this is the very easy method to use in the Mitsubishi PLC. You can use and practice this one. This is the very helpful command in programs when you're using in the program. See, now K10 is now reset with the auto value. Again on, this Y0 will be on because this is the less than command, this is the equal, this is the greater than. Again on, this is the 4 now until this the not reach at the 7, this will be not change his contact. As it will be reached at the 7, see now, and 1 bit just only when it's next, it will be change his contact, goes to the Y0 on. This is a very simple method. You can practice at home and you can use in your project as your own logic. Hope you will be understand this section. If not understand anything, you can be send message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.